Have you ever been stuck at the Uhuru Highway roundabouts, especially the University roundabout? If you've driven here during rush hour, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm seated here watching the traffic barely moving, and it always makes me wonder how these roundabouts are actually managed. From what I've observed, they seem to be controlled manually by traffic police instead of an automated traffic light system. One thing I've witnessed several times has always left me scratching my head. On one occasion, I saw a Matatu driver call a police officer over for a quick conversation. I have no idea what was said, but I almost immediately afterwards the traffic from that side started moving, while everyone else continued waiting. I've seen similar situations at Kamukoji roundabout as well. Now, I can't say what this conversation was about, and I'm not accusing anyone of wrongdoing, but experiences like this makes me wonder whether there could be a better way to manage these intersections. Personally, I think automating these roundabouts with intelligent traffic lights could make traffic flow more predictable and reduce the amount of time the drivers spend waiting. Human judgment can be useful in some situations, but it can also lead to inconsistency, especially during the peak hours. What do you think? Should these roundabouts be manually controlled, or is it time for a fully automated system? And you've driven through these intersections. What's the craziest thing you've seen while stuck in traffic? Let me know in the comment section. I know I'm not the only one with the stories. Adios.